Exodus, chapter 22, from the Bishop's Bible. If a man steal an ox or a sheep, and kill it, or sell it, he shall restore 5 oxen for an ox, 4 sheep for a sheep. If a thief be found breaking up, and be smitten that he die, there shall no blood be shed for him. But if the sun be up upon him, then there shall be blood shed for him. For he should make restitution. If he have not wherewith, he shall be sold for his theft. If the theft be found in his hand, alive, whether it be ox, ass, or sheep, he shall restore double. If a man do hurt field or vineyard, and put in his beast to feed in another man's field, of the best of his own field, and of the best of his own vineyard, shall he make restitution. If fire break out, and catch in the thornes, and the stacks of corn, or the standing corn, or field be consumed therewith, he that kindled the fire shall make restitution. If a man deliver his neighbour money or stuff to keep, and it be stolen out of his house, if the thief be found, let him pay double. And if the thief be not found, then the good man of the house shall be brought unto the judges, that it may be known whether he have put his hand unto his neighbour's good. And in all manner of trespass, whether it be for ox, ass, or sheep, raiment, or any manner of lost thing, which another challengeth to be his, the cause of both parties shall come before the judges, and whom the judges condemn, let him pay double unto his neighbour. If a man deliver unto his neighbour to keep ass, ox, sheep, or whatsoever beast it be, and it die, or be hurt, or taken away by enemies, and no man see it, then shall an oath of the Lord be between them, that he hath not put his hand unto his neighbour's good, and the owner of it shall take an oath, and the other shall not make it good. And if it be stolen from him, then he shall make restitution unto the owner thereof. If it be torn in pieces, then let him bring record of the tearing, and he shall not make it good. And if a man borrow aught of his neighbour, and it be hurt, or else die, and the owner thereof be not by, he shall surely make it good. But if the owner thereof be by, he shall not make it good, if it be an hired thing. It came for his hire. If a man entice a maid that is not betrothed, and lie with her, he shall endow her, and take her to his wife. And if her father refuse to give her unto him, he shall pay money according to the dowry of virgins. Thou shalt not suffer a witch to live. Whosoever lieth with a beast shall be slain for it. He that offereth unto any gods, save unto the Lord only, he shall be killed. Vex not a stranger, neither oppress him, for ye were strangers in the land of Egypt. Ye shall trouble no widow nor fatherless child. If ye shall evil entreat them, and they cry out unto me, I will surely hear their cry. And then will my wrath wax hot, and I will kill you with the sword, and your wives shall be widows, and your children fatherless. If thou lend money to any of my people that is poor by thee, thou shalt not be as a tyrant unto him, neither shalt thou lay upon him usury. If thou take thy neighbour's raiment to pledge, thou shalt deliver it unto him by that the sun go down. For that is his covering only, even the raiment for his skin, wherein he sleepeth. And when he crieth unto me, I will hear him, for I am merciful. Thou shalt not rail upon the gods, neither blaspheme ye the ruler of the people. Thy fruits, whether they be dry or moist, see thou keep them not back. Thy firstborn son thou shalt give me. Likewise also shalt thou do with thine oxen, and with thy sheep. 7 days it shall be with the dame, and the 8th day thou shalt give it me. Ye shall be an holy people unto me, neither shall ye eat any flesh that is torn of beasts in the field, but shall cast it to a dog.